Hi guys, this week we are going to be learning how, or not learning how, but practicing our letter H, our letter P and B, and then we're going to be writing some words too. These are on pages 28, 29, and 30 in your Being a Writer book, which is this little skinny red one. I guess I could show you. Let me show you. Hold on. It's this one, Being a Reader. Sorry, I'm glad I showed you, but it's Being a Reader. It says Handwriting Notebook at the top, okay? All right, let's get started. The letter H. The letter H, what is this right here? Yeah, it's a hat. You're right. I'm going to write the word hat. 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 That's a pretty cute hat, although it could be cuter. I'm going to give it a feather. Put a feather in the cap, because that makes it look better, don't you think? Or either that or it makes it look like a Robin Hood hat, which, you know, whatever. Ooh, dandy. I love it. The letter H. All right, a capital H is a line down, a line across, and a line down. It kind of looks like a bed, doesn't it? It's just all straight lines. But the lowercase h has a curve in it. I like that little curve. And here's how we do it. We start at the top, we pull our pencil or our pen down, we push up, curve over, pull down. So watch that again. We put our pencil or pen at the top, we pull down, we push over, we pull down. We pull down, we push over, we pull down. We pull down, we push up, we pull over, we pull down. That's a really redundant and annoying thing to say, but you can see I'm practicing. The more I practice over these letters, the better I'll get at writing, because your brain will just start to remember, oh hey, I know how to make the letter H and I can make it really, really good. Like I've told you before, you can always squeeze in extra in between if you want extra practice, which is always fun. Ha 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 ha. And at the bottom it has little dots to show you where to start with your pen or pencil, and you can practice some right there too. Just free form, which is kind of nice. I like that. In between, I guess you could write H words too, couldn't you? You could write the word hop or hat. I bet you can think of some other words that have 3 letters in them and an H. All right, next letter is, if I can turn my page, there we go. Next letter is the letter B. I don't know why, but I love the letter B. I don't know if the capital B especially. I don't know if it's because it's got these 2 little boop boop. I just think they're so cute. I've always loved making B's, even when I was little. All right, B is for this cute thing here, a balloon. Ba-all-oon. We don't say it ball-oon. That sounds weird. We say balloon. So balloon can be kind of hard to spell, but that's how you spell it. Balloon. I'm going to put some shine marks on my little balloon. All right, a capital B is a line that goes straight down, and it goes straight over. Bumpity bump. Oh, I love making capital B's so much. They're so fun. But today we're going to practice lowercase b. So we're going to start the B at the top, just like we did with the H. We're going to push up just like we did with the H, and curve over just like we did the H, and pull down, but we're going to scoot it around and make a circle. So unlike the H, we close off that little circle. So pull down, push over, and around. Awesome. Pull down, push over, and around. And you know, when you're practicing, sometimes you might get off the lines, and that's okay. With our handwriting, we kind of develop our own personality with the way our letters look. But what we don't want to do is have so much personality with our letters that nobody can read it, including us. Has that ever happened to you, where you go back and you read something you've written and you're like, what in the world am I talking about? Now, I will tell you, with the letter B, it can be really easy to accidentally make something that looks like a 6. So if you're real sloppy with the way you do your line, you're going to end up with something that looks like a 6. Okay? The other thing I want to tell you is that a lot of kids get a B and a D confused. So I'm going to show you a D right next to this B so you can kind of see the difference. So you write a D the same exact way, only in reverse, okay? So when they are side by side, the B and the D, they are facing each other. It's almost like this one's like, hi, and this one says, well, hello. He says, I have a haircut. And this one says, oh, I didn't get a haircut, but I need one. Look at my crazy hair. Okay, so a D points to the left and a B points to the right. Okay, and that's something you just have to remember. You might get those mixed up from time to time, and that's okay. That happens. All right. Remember to practice more letter B's down here. Maybe really keep that line straight and make that circle, okay? But don't make it look like a 6. So you have to keep that line straight up and down. And what happens is sometimes kids get in a hurry. They write it sideways, and then they get sloppy with this part, and you've got this kind of thing. And that looks kind of like a B, but you can see there's a big difference between this B and that B. There's also a difference between this B and this B. Get it? It's a B, but it's a B. Okay. All right, the next one is the letter P, just like the letter B, only with one less hump for the capital P. P is for things like potatoes, pistachios, and this lovely thing that we use at school a lot, which is a pencil. P-N, check that out. The word pen is in the word pencil. Why? I don't know. Pencil. In this case, the C in the letter or in the word pencil doesn't sound like a K, it sounds like a S. Pencil. All right, a capital P is just like a B, a line straight down and a curve over. It's like a B without a belly. I think. Okay, and then the lowercase p is like an upside down B, sort of. So you're going to pull down, push up, and go around. I think the letter P is fun to draw. I've always liked writing the letter P. I think it's a lot of fun. Down and around, pull down and around, make a letter P. And again, you can draw or write extra P's over here. All right, same thing here. Pull down, push up, and go around. I will say, just a second ago, I guess I'm in a habit of lifting my pen up. I don't know if you noticed, I pulled down like that, and then I went back and filled in this part. You could do that too. Think this way probably makes it faster, or makes it weird. All right, and then the last page, on page 39, you're going to practice writing some words. Him, hand, best, head, hip, post. So I'm going to practice a couple of these. I won't do all of them, but there's him. All these letters that are in these words are ones that we've practiced. I'm going to do him, and I'm going to do post. You guys do all of them, though. Oh, do you see? I just did it again with the S. I lifted up my pen. S's. Post. Make sure you take a picture of your work so I can see it. If you only can take a picture of one or two things, make sure you post this one, because this will show me that you can write all of your letters, because it has all the ones we did today. It has the H, the B, and the P. So if you post only one picture, post this one, okay? All right, guys. Bye.